The wind is pumping, guys. The wind is pumping. No one else is fishing. Morning people, planning on getting an early morning start today. Conditions look decent now, but they're gonna pick up as the day goes on, so we're gonna start packing up and get ready for a third day of fishing. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be I think it's like a 30-kilometer northeaster, so hopefully we get some fish today. See you on the rocks. Stay stick and pull. Slowly stay stick, yeah, you'll pop the sinker off. Right, fight him, fight him, fight him. Keep it tight, huh? Well done, boy. Persistent in a busting northeast, boys.
I saw that fish tailing. Absolute views. Come down here, come down here. Watch it, watch it. Wait for the wave. Bring him here to me. Release. Pick it up, go, go, go. Lovely. Well done, boy. Yes. Lovely. You must change that single. Bronzy king on this too. Boy, what you up to, like 5 now? Yeah. 6.
6?
Yeah, 5.
5. The wind is pumping, guys. The wind is pumping. No one else is fishing.
But we hear the stories about bronze bream and how they like the worst weather, the uncomfortable weather. Paying off, boy.
Yeah.
Worth it now.
Close to shore.
Yeah. Pick him up for me, just show it there.
Yeah, look at the colors.
Sorry, let me just do that. Go across it.
Cute.
Lovely. Put him back.
He's on.
So bronzy. Where is it?
Wait,
What?
no, it's still a good size on. Yeah. Oh, very similar sizes.
I'm on the board, guys.
Yeah.
I'm on the board.
Finally.
Yes.
That was a different baiter. That was a prawn and a chokka.
Oh, that was prawn with a little bit of leftover cracker we had. Just put 3 crackers on.
And the other 2 I got just a normal prawn. Yeah. Show each other to the camera. Today was supposed to be all about musselcracker, but the weather didn't turn out, so we came back and tried some bronzies. So this brings us to the end of the 3rd days of fishing. Fishing has been tough, conditions have also been tough, but we persisted and managed to get some fish. The original mission was to try and target some brusher, but conditions have been too rough and we also didn't have any luck. So we decided to scale down and do some scratching and found some formation where the fish were holding and persisted and managed to land some decent fish. So we currently have the 3 fish in a rock pool and we're going to release them now, maybe try and get some underwater footage.
That's the biggest one.
Yeah. Relax.
Nice.
Relax.
Just clear. All of it. how much you guys can hear me, but it's our last day today. We checked out of the chalet and we decided before we leave for Durban, fish a couple more times there in the hole. Kirat and my dad are at the back. Just gonna video a few and maybe I'll eat a couple throws after, but hopefully last couple bronze room before we head back. And yeah, this has been a good series, a lot of rockfish. Weather permitting, we did quite well. We're happy. Released some good fish, kept a few, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned some things, and let's see what we can do today. Easy, boy. It's a nice one. What's a brick, huh? Slowly, slowly, boy. Slowly, Kira. Come pick it up. Yes, boy. Yo. That's a bus. Yo. That's a bus.
That's big. That's big. That's big.
Well done, boy.
Yo. The bite. Flat full.
What you got there, boy?
Galjoen. National fish.
What a fish.
50 centimeter. Get a fork lamp. Get a fork lamp. 47. Yo.
Congrats, bro.
Happy.
Boy, top session.